In this video, we're going to talk about type aliases in TypeScript. In previous one, we've learned how to define the shape of an object using interface. But in this one, we're going to use type aliases. And to create a type aliases, we're going to use the type keywords followed by the name of the type. Let's say create employee inputs. And then here, we're going to process some keys, string, name. So define the email name and the status. It is going to be a union type here, active and inactive. An object, let's say const employee input. And then here we can type it with the type aliases that we have created. Create employee input. And then here we can assign it. We can pass keys. We can pass it the shape. It has a name, an email, and status. Status can be active or inactive. And then here we just define the shape of our employee input object with create employee input type alias. But also we can use type alias to specify the return type of a function, or we can type the arguments of a function. Let's create here a function. Function create employee. And then we're gonna pass it's going to take an input as parameter. We're gonna type it with create employee type alias and define the return type of it. And then here we can return the input, which is the create employee input here. And if we call our create employee function, we're gonna get this object here. Let's call it and then create employee. You're gonna need to pass the employee input object within it. And that's pretty much it, guys. For this video, we learned how to use type aliases to type objects. In the next video, we're gonna talk about the difference between type aliases and interface. I see you there.